Welcome to 801 Plantation Drive. We have a beautiful front yard coming up to a very nice front porch. This home sits in a very nice neighborhood with no HOA. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Nice den. And as we come through our den area, we have yet a second den. Very large room here. Make a great place for a video room, entertaining, and an outside entrance as well. Could even be turned into a bedroom if you needed a 4th bedroom. We turn around and we have the kitchen, open concept with our breakfast nook, opening out onto a nice patio and beautiful backyard with a shed and a stream running along the back of the property. Just a gorgeous piece of property. Through the kitchen, we have the laundry, and the laundry is set off where you can shut it. Nice large laundry, plenty of cabinets, also an outside entrance coming into the home from the laundry. So let's go back through the den area and down the hallway. Where we have on our right a bathroom, full bath, shower, tub, a bedroom to the left of that bathroom, and then, yes, another bathroom coming into this one off of this bedroom. Across the hall, we have another bedroom. Nice linen closet. And then into our 3rd bedroom. This is a gorgeous home in a beautiful neighborhood, very quiet. As I said, no HOA, and it can be yours today.